FlutSky. Today we're exploring the AnimatedCrossFade widget. A fantastic tool for creating smooth transitions between two widgets. Whether you're building an interactive UI or adding a touch of elegance to your app, AnimatedCrossFade can help you achieve stunning visual effects. Let's dive into a practical example and see how it can enhance your Flutter projects. Before we begin, if you're new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe for more Flutter tips and tricks. Also, check out our previous videos on other animated widgets for more insights into creating beautiful, dynamic UIs. Let's get started. What is AnimatedCrossFade? AnimatedCrossFade is a widget that crossfades between two given children and animates itself between their sizes. It's perfect for transitioning between two states of a UI component. For this demo, I'll be using the crossfade animation for an add to cart feature. Let's dive into a practical example to see how AnimatedCrossFade works. Here I have a stateful widget to manage the animation. First, we create a Boolean value, inCart, and set it to false. Then, we create a toggleCart function that toggles the inCart value. In the body of the scaffold, we have a center widget containing a column. We set the main axis alignment to main axis alignment.center. Inside the column, I'll be using an AnimatedCrossFade widget to animate our transition for added to cart and removed from cart. We set the duration to half a second, and assign the first child and second child for the animation toggle. We use crossfade state to manage the toggle state. If inCart is true, the item is added to the cart. If false, the cart icon is shown. We give the first child a fade curve of curves.easeout and the second child a fade curve of curves.easein. A size box provides a height of 20 between our AnimatedCrossFade widget and the elevated button. The onPress callback of the elevated button is set to the toggle function we created to switch between add to cart and remove from cart. The first child returns a container with a width and height of 200. It has a box decoration with a blue color and a border radius of 10. The child of the container is a center widget with an icon widget, displaying a shopping bag icon of size 80. For the added to cart view, we create a method that returns a container with the same dimensions and decoration. The child of the container is a stack with a center widget containing a shopping cart icon of size 80. The stack includes a positioned widget with right and top values of 10. The positioned widget has a check icon, size 30, and color green. Now let's run the app to see our crossfade transition in action. As you can see, clicking the button smoothly transitions between the two representations add to cart and remove from cart. The animation smoothly shows that our items is added. Thus you can use these animation in your projects to add some interactivity with the users. The AnimatedCrossFade widget is versatile for creating smooth, engaging transitions in your Flutter apps. By mastering its features, you can enhance the user experience with visually appealing animations. Whether you're building a dynamic UI or just adding a touch of polish, AnimatedCrossFade can take your Flutter skills to the next level. That's all for today, FlutSky family. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more Flutter tips and tricks. Happy coding!